In this video, we'll discuss few specific things regarding transformation of sentences. And these transformation of sentences are related to assertive to interrogative, assertive to exclamatory, and assertive to, or vice versa. We can reverse those actions. How to do these things we'll go through. Then we'll have an exercise that is to be done by us. So what we have to do first, we have to understand these methods. Once these are done before, so this is a recapitulation of those previous chapters. While going through this video, I request you to write down the things to be displayed on the screen, and those exercises in Rain and Martin or in Joseph you must try to solve. If you have doubt regarding any question, if you have doubt regarding any of the topics, do let me know. I'll surely help you out to solve that one. Now, we'll divide this very topic into multiple parts. This is the first part, and hopefully this will surely help. Second thing is that it's an audio visual one. I have tried to make how much I can. Now, the most important thing is to write as a classwork. Here, assertive, interrogative, as well as exclamatory. These three types we will discuss along with the transformation. So here you go.
So what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that are put together to mean a complete sentence. Has at least a subject and a main verb to state a complete thought. Examples. Kinds of sentences according to the purpose and structure. So the sentence types we have assertive or declarative sentences, interrogative sentences, imperative sentences, exclamatory sentences, and optative sentences. I am regular in my class. That is assertive. Why were you absent yesterday? Interrogative. Don't miss your lesson. This is an order. So imperative. Hey, don't touch my phone. A surprise related concept is there. So exclamatory. And last one, may the king of warriors sleep wrong, a wish, optative. But we'll omit this part, optative. Instead, we'll take this as a part of imperative sentence. What is sentence transformation? The transformation of a sentence is all about changing its form without altering the meaning. That means we'll change the structure, not the meaning. We can change one exclamatory sentence into assertive, or we can do the opposite too without changing the meaning. What a great pleasure it is! Exclamatory. This is indeed, or this is truly, or obviously, or surely a great pleasure. Types of sentence transformation: affirmative into negative sentence or vice versa. Affirmative, often we consider that one as positive sentence. Assertive to imperative sentences. Affirmative to exclamatory sentences. Transformation of superlative, comparative, positive sentences. Active and passive sentences. Transforming complex, simple, compound sentences. Rules of transformation or transforming affirmative into negative sentence or vice versa. Sentence with only or alone changes into none but, nothing but, not more than, not less than. Affirmative. A brave man alone can do this. We have to write none but a brave man can do this. We can also write no one except a brave man can do this. Affirmative. I need a book only. Negative. I need nothing but a book. We cannot write none since it's not a living object. Next, must, have to, or can turns into cannot but. You have to drink clean water. Negative it will be you cannot but drink clean water. And both becomes not only but also. He ate eggs and vegetables. he ate not only eggs but also vegetables. Always in affirmative becomes never plus opposite word in negative statement. I'm always against of smoking. Negative it should be I'm never in favor of smoking. Universal truths are changed into interrogative negative sentences. Knowledge is power. Is not knowledge power? So, this is one of the easiest methods to convert any affirmative sentence into negative by converting that one into interrogative in negative form. Many affirmative can be changed into negative by using negative word not and an opposite word of the verb. I missed the train. Negative should be I could not catch the train. Sometimes in affirmative becomes not always in negative. The poor are sometimes happy. And the opposite, that's negative, should be the poor are not always happy. Now one exercise is provided here. You have to change this. Answer is also provided. You pause here, see the question, write the answer and check next. He is honest. Number 2, I'll never forget you. Where there is fire, there is smoke. Jamil is the best student. As soon as the teacher arrived, the noise stopped. So, we'll go for the answer just next and here are the answers. He is not dishonest. I'll always remember you. So, I will never forget you. We got the substitution. I will always remember you. Where there is fire, there is smoke. And the answer is there is no fire without smoke. Jamil is the best student. And the answer is no other student is as good as, better to use so good as Jamil. Last one, as soon as the teacher arrived, the noise stopped. No sooner had the teacher arrived than the noise stopped. So these are the 5 questions. Exercise B, change the sentences into affirmative. The old man is so weak that he cannot walk. The old man is too weak to walk. None but the brave deserve the fare. Only the brave deserve the fare. No sooner had I reached the station than the train left. As soon as I reached the station, it should be as soon as did I reach the station, then the train left. Nobody likes a liar. Answer is everybody dislikes a liar. Last one, not only Rina but also Rahim will go there. And the answer is both Rina and Rahim will go there. Now this is the very first part of our discussion regarding transformation of sentence in case of assertive, interrogative and imperative and exclamatory. Now one interesting fact is that we hardly convert this assertive sentence into imperative or imperative into assertive. There is no fixed rule for that one, but in this video or in the next video that in part 2 we will surely discuss those parts and hope that will bring in huge help to you.